Hopefully nobody died. Did anybody die? But let's go, let's go. Train accident. Train accident. Bro, we need to go faster. How? What? That way? Bro, let's go see the accidents. Look, some people are coming. Let's go see.
People going.
Yeah, let's go see what happened exactly. How many people are injured? Yeah. We should like give bloods and shit if we have to, you know? Oh, we have to go faster. People are running. Wait, what the heck? What happened? Bro, what happened?
Accident.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Allah.